Okay guys, let's go to the Reflect Fest in Limassol now. I'm ready to do the pitch for our AI software and I'm super excited. Let's see what comes up. Hi guys, my name is Sergios. I'm from Limassol actually, so we're a local startup.
Hey.
So what we do, it's very simple. I have a question to the audience before I say anything. Who here has a LinkedIn account? Raise your hand up. Who has a LinkedIn account? Who is using, wait, keep the hand up. Who is using the LinkedIn account to generate or try to generate leads from LinkedIn? Okay, great, cool. So what we do, we automate LinkedIn chats, follow-ups, and automate appointment setting. And when you try to do that, you have some problems when you do it manually. There is a manual way, and now we're going to an automated way. The manual way, you need to have your profile set up, correct profile picture, headline, and so on. You need to send out manual connection requests, low response rate, or you don't reply back because you're sleeping or you're having fun at the beach and you don't not bother to check your LinkedIn messages, or you're losing track. For example, somebody says to you, I'm on holidays, please message me in 2 weeks. Of course, you're gonna forget, except if you have an Excel file and you keep track there. So our solution is that we wanna solve this problem. Now, market share, I have some statistics here, but my statistics, it's the audience here, which almost everybody raised their hand. So the most interesting part is that marketing automation market, it's gonna grow up to $13 billion in 2030. So that's something interesting for us. That's our target audience. Now, what we offer, we have done software which basically your LinkedIn account connects to it, and it handles finding the ideal audience for you. It handles sending out responses with AI. Of course, you can teach the AI about your product, your company, and it learns as it answers more requests. So it does all that. And also it manages follow-ups and appointment settings. So the goal of the AI is actually to have the conversation with the prospect. It's trained with objection handling, and at the end of the chat, we need to take either its phone number, email address, or make him book a call with us. So unique features is the real-time AI responses, AI automated follow-ups, and we also integrate with a lot of CRMs or any other system like Slack and so on. Competitive advantage, we are one of the first solutions doing this on LinkedIn. There is other softwares that they do a lot of the parts we do, but the AI responses and chats, nobody yet. That's it. That's it. Yeah, it's an example, but that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, first of all, awesome that you're from Limassol. That's my city, so, you know, proud of you. Second, I love productivity tools. So give me anything that is gonna, you know, save you time and money. So you got me there. I even invested in a meeting scheduling tool. Don't ask me. I have no clue whether it's gonna persevere and survive and so on, because it is tough. It's a very competitive market, therefore have a lot of questions, you know, like, okay, how are you going to do it better than what's out there and so on. What about the team?
So basically, I am the founder and CEO. I'm a developer. I used to work in Silicon Valley actually. I have a lot of experience on that. Alex, he is my business development. Rafael, he works for me, has
Is it an all-male team? Is it an all-male team?
No, we have also female. We have two designers, and I've got one front-end guy and one back-end guy. So we're a 6-people team actually.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, guys, so we just made the pitch. The pitch went well, in my opinion. We had 3 investors. 2 of them were skeptical about my AI startup. But that was not the purpose. The purpose was to get exposure in front of the audience. And tomorrow we have our stand on the Reflect, and we hope that we get a lot of people on the stand to demo them our product. And let's hope that everything goes well. I'm really confident that this product is very good. See you later.
Can you give me a short overview how it works?
So basically, maybe your target audience is startups or CEOs or
Like this.
CTOs, maybe.
CTOs, integrators, and so
Okay, cool. So basically, first thing, we see your profile, we optimize your profile. Second thing,
You,
yes,
as an agency or how?
no, as part of this solution, we need to optimize your profile, because if the profile is not optimized and we just send out the messages,
Okay.
good luck. Okay, now.
It's people optimized, so you have some specialists.
Yeah. It's me and Alex basically. So Alex here, Oleg.
Alex, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Xenia. So basically, we will see your profile. We do some minor adjustments. We will tell you do this, do that, because it's better for the results. Now, the next step, we find your target audience. So you need to have Sales Navigator on LinkedIn, and we go on Sales Navigator, and we find CTOs in Cyprus. Boom! Here is a list of CTOs in Cyprus. Then we feed this list to our software. Then I ask you a few questions about what you guys do. So you do automation and optimization, for example, Zapier or Make or whatever. So we describe your service to the AI. I ask you a few questions, and I identify the frequently asked questions, so I pretend to be like a customer. Okay. Then we take all of these, and we have here AI instructions.
Okay.
So we set this up with you. Once this is set up, we push the button, and the messages start to go out. Okay. So the messages start going out.
Target list
Yes, with a target list. So basically
under
here,
my account.
yes, with your name, with your account.
So you have like a Google Chrome extension or something?
No, it's no extension. There's no extension. It's all done behind the doors. You don't need to have a Google extension. You don't need to have a... Once we hit the go ahead button, then basically it starts working. So it sends out maximum 100 request messages per day. So in total, 3,000 people at the end of the month will be contacted. Okay?
Without possibility of some blockage?
No blockage. If you get a blockage, I will refund you your money, and I will give you back also extra money. System and other features you have. Gave her an example, asked for her phone number. She said, I prefer to do it by email and Google Meet. Okay, Google Meet and so on. She gave us a Google Meet. Then Alex, which is my sales guy, contacted her, closed her.
And all the communication here is...
I did nothing. I was sleeping, or I was on the beach. I did nothing. I got messages from Spanish people. I messaged them in English. They reply back in Spanish, and then the AI basically also continues and replies back in Spanish. It's crazy. I mean, many competitors,
Many competitors.
but nobody yet has the AI. So my AI startup, it's outreaching on LinkedIn with AI. It can contact up to 3,000 people per month for you. So for example, if you are targeting lawyers, or if you are targeting CTOs in Cyprus or abroad or any other country, it can do the whole targeting. And the AI is trained with your company's material, so it can ask all the questions to the prospect, and that basically carries on with the chat. Now, the purpose of the chat is to either get the phone number, email, or send out the link for what you do. So this is what we are doing here on Reflect. We are presenting this. Of course, we also mention about our website design services, if it's appropriate, and so on. But let's go around and see what else is here. So I'm here with Mr. Panagiotis. He is the Limassol Greens head of sales. How is the event?
It's fantastic. Actually, I'm impressed by the presence of such a diverse demographic, let's say, from across the industries and the world. And what they did here is unprecedented, let's say.
Did you make any connections today? Like, how was it?
Actually, it's a fantastic place to make connections and the right people you need to get to know, basically.
Very
so
good.
it wouldn't be a better place for networking.
Very good. Let's go. Nicolas Yiallouros. Tell us a bit what you do. Tell us your intro. I know you are in real estate. What exactly do you do?
Well, we are real estate agents. We have an office in Limassol.
Which office? What's the name?
M Residence. M Residence
Okay.
Limassol. You can find us at the seaside next to Trilogy. Basically, what we do, we sell properties, land, commercial buildings, houses, luxury villas, and everything that has to do with property in Limassol.
Okay. So, did you make any connections? How did you find the event?
Yeah, I really like the event. A lot of investors in the event, so we are going to attend the event up until the end. We hope this event will grow and will have a lot of attendance in the future.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
So here is my brother Xenios, my co-founder. So we run the show together. So maybe you can tell us a bit about the LinkedIn software that we have, SoftwareCy.io. Tell us a few things about it.
Absolute game changer. I mean, it changed everything. I ran XeniosFitness.com with this. We started this 6 months ago. I showed this to my brother, and he was like, "Wow, why don't we do this like a software?" And then he took it. He did his magic with the code. It became a software business, and right now, honestly, it's amazing. We are getting leads automatically from LinkedIn. So in my case, our traffic mainly comes from Facebook ads and YouTube ads. So by having LinkedIn, the SoftwareCy.io with the LinkedIn, it's like an extra source for us, and literally we don't have to do anything. This is the best part about it, that everything is handled by the AI. We train the AI to speak like me. It has my knowledge, and it's basically doing the outreach, it's doing the talk, and it's booking people into my calendar. So this software is absolutely amazing.
So it's like we are eating our own dog food, basically.
Yeah.
So whatever we sell, like software or something that we do, we always use it as well. So we don't
Yes.
just did it for people to use it. So that's very important what we're doing here.
So I was testing this personally myself for 6 months, and after we had the proof of concept, then we started to have this right now to public clients as well.
And even more testing later, like when we did the software. Because
yeah, of course.
from the beginning we just did it like very roughly, like script just to see, and then we evolved it. So
Yeah, highly recommended. Honestly, if you want to expand your traffic, if you want to get more calls, more leads, if you want to grow the revenue of your business, I highly recommend you that you invest in a software like this, because it does everything automatically. It doesn't matter how big is your business, if it's small or big business. I mean, this thing will be a game changer for you. So imagine what will be worth to you to get 5 to 10 additional leads per month, or maybe more. I mean, it depends on what you do. In my case with Xenios Fitness, imagine we get approximately with one account, maybe 8 to 10 calls extra per month. So 8 to 10 calls extra per month is equal for us 2 or 3 sales. So 2 or 3 sales without paying anything on the cost per acquisition, it means a lot. So this software is absolute game changer.
Hey, thank you so much. Hey guys, I'm here with one of our clients, Constantinos. Can you tell us a bit how we collaborated, what projects we did together? Because we did a couple of projects the last years together.
Of course.
Tell us.
Thank you, Sergey. We worked a lot with Xenios. The most recent project, I'm the owner of a group of companies. The most recent one was Millionaire Park, a parking space near Larnaca Airport. We worked together on TICB, which was also a technology company that we own. We're involved in the financial sector. We're diversified actually. An educational platform. Basically, Xenios did a lot of websites, a lot of technology implementation, and we're very happy. I mean, amazing.
So how is the collaboration with our team? Like, do you like the way we work?
Well, that's the most important. Okay.
Strength, according to you?
The communication, the support, the ongoing support, the modifications needed. That's one of the strongest points. That's what made us come back to you. Which for us is the most important. Realizing the industry that we're entering and adapting to it is the most important for us.
So would you recommend
Absolutely.
to people to come and do their website or platform on SoftwareCy?
Absolutely. You can check all our websites. You can see that they're not similar to each other depending on the industry we're penetrating. They're very different. So we're not copying templates. We're adapting and building depending on the industry we're penetrating. I would definitely.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
LinkedIn is the platform now where everybody is